When you're trying to buy tickets on Ticketmaster and encounter error 503 with the message "Backend is unhealthy," you're seeing a server-side problem that's become increasingly common during high-demand ticket sales. This error typically appears during major concert announcements, pre-sales, and other high-demand events when thousands of users are trying to access the system simultaneously. The error occurs for three main technical reasons: server overload when backend servers cannot process the volume of requests, health check failures when load balancers detect unresponsive services, and resource exhaustion when database connections, memory, or CPU reach their limits. To understand this better, let's look at Ticketmaster's infrastructure. Their system uses load balancers to distribute incoming traffic across multiple backend servers that process ticket requests and manage inventory. The system also includes database clusters that handle real-time inventory and user data, plus a content delivery network or CDN that serves static content and reduces server load by distributing content globally. Ticketmaster has made recent improvements, including enhanced virtual queue systems to manage traffic spikes, CDN optimization for better load distribution, and prioritizing mobile app traffic over web browser requests during peak times. It's important to understand that when you encounter this error, it's not something you're doing wrong. The error 503 "backend is unhealthy" is a sign that Ticketmaster's servers are struggling to keep up with the volume of users trying to access the system at the same time. When you encounter the error 503 "backend is unhealthy" message, your first line of defense involves strategic browser refresh techniques. These methods can help bypass temporary server issues. The key to effective refreshing is patience. Wait 30 to 60 seconds before attempting to refresh the page. This gives the servers time to recover from the overload. For a more thorough refresh, use Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload all page elements from the server. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve conflicts that prevent proper page loading. Cached data might be outdated or corrupted. Each browser has its own method for clearing cache and cookies. The process typically involves accessing privacy settings and selecting the appropriate time range and data types to clear. Different browsers may handle server errors differently. Switching between browsers or using incognito mode can bypass browser-specific issues. Popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox each have unique ways of handling network requests. If one browser fails, another might succeed. Incognito or private browsing mode starts with a clean slate without stored cookies or cache that might interfere with the connection. Your network connection can significantly impact your ability to reach Ticketmaster's servers. Simple network changes can make the difference. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as different networks may have varying levels of congestion. VPNs can add latency and should be disabled during ticket purchases. Free up system resources by closing unnecessary browser tabs and applications. This ensures maximum bandwidth and processing power for your ticket purchase. For high-demand events, consider these advanced techniques that experienced users have found successful. Using multiple devices increases your chances of success, as each device represents a separate connection attempt. Timing your attempts during off-peak hours can also reduce server load. Remember that error 503 is fundamentally a server-side issue beyond your direct control. However, these troubleshooting techniques can help you work around the problem. Persistence and patience are your best allies when dealing with high-demand ticket sales.